Hello students and welcome to our channel. So today we are going to start with matrices part 2. In part 1 video we have already studied how to solve the questions related to addition, subtraction and multiplication of scalar number by matrices, and we have also solved related questions related to the same concept. Now in this video we are going to discuss about multiplication of matrices, and this is the last topic of this chapter. Multiplication of matrices, like see, if I am provided with two matrices 3 4 5 0 and B matrix is 1 2 3 4. Now we have to multiply it, that means A into B. So multiplication में क्या किया जाता है? Row is multiplied by column. First row, first column. Then first row, second column. Then second row, first column. Then second row, second column. देखिए, first element will be, this is what? Row 1. Row 1 into column 1. Again, row 1 into column 2. Here row 2 column 1, row 2 column 1, column 2. This is the multiplication we have to do. Row 1 into column 1, row 1 into column 2. This will be the second element. Row 2 into column 1, row 2 into column 2. Now see what are the elements over here, and with respective element it will be multiplied. Like 3 is multiplied to 1, so plus 4 will be multiplied to the second element. Now 3 multiplied to 2 and 4 multiplied by 4. This is how multiplication occurs. Second row, first column. 5 into 1 plus 0 into 3. 5 into 2 plus 0 into 4. So answer will be 3, and here 4 3s are 12. 3 plus 12, I'll get 15. 3 2s are 6 and 4 4s are 16. 6 plus 16 is 22. 5 1s are 5. 0 into 3 is 0. 5 plus 0 is 5. 5 2s are 10 plus 0. So this will be 10. Again I am repeating. Row multiplied by column. First row, first column. First row, second column. With respective element फिर multiplication होता है. जैसे इसका first element and इसका first element. इसका second element and इसका second element. Then row second, first column, row second, second column. Now see, one main point is A matrix का order क्या है? 2 into 2. B matrix का order क्या है? 2 into 2. So जो resulting matrix होगी without calculation हम order कैसे find करेंगे? A matrix number of rows are 2 and in B matrix number of columns are 2. So AB matrix का भी order क्या आएगा? 2 into 2. For example, if I am provided with 1 3, A is 1 3 and B is 5 6 7 8. Now I have to calculate order of AB matrix. I don't have to multiply it. I only have to calculate what? Order of AB matrix. So see, if I look over here, 1 into 1 3, that means row is what? 1 but column is 2. Order इसका क्या है? 1 into 2. इसका order क्या है? 2 into 2. That means जो AB matrix आएगी उसका order क्या होगा? Row into column. That order will be 1 into 2. Without calculation we can find out the order of the multiplicated matrix. Given is 3 minus 8 9 4. It is multiplied by another matrix जिसके elements we are not knowing, x y. that is equals to minus 2, 8. We have to find x and y. Now इस मैट्रिक्स का ऑर्डर क्या है? 2 into 2. Order of this matrix is 2 into 1. If we look over here, here order is what? 2 into 1. That means यहाँ पर rows क्या है? 2. So here also rows 2. But second matrix के हम क्या कॉलम क्या देखते हैं? कॉलम. तो इसलिए इसके भी कॉलम क्या होंगे? 1. Therefore इसका ऑर्डर क्या रहा? Row into column. Row of first matrix and column of second matrix. Now we'll solve this question. First row, first column. क्योंकि अब second column नहीं है तो उससे multiplication नहीं होगा. तो 3 into x, 3x and 8 into y. तो it will be minus 8y. सेकेंड कॉलम नहीं है तो यहाँ पर कोई भी एलिमेंट नहीं आएगा. 9 into x, 9x, 4 into y, 4y. ये बीच में एडिशन. दिस इज इक्वल्स टू minus 2, 8. So first element is equals to first and second element will be equal to second. तो 3x minus 8y equals minus 2 and 9x plus 4y equals 8. We'll solve these equation by substitution method. So what we'll do, let's suppose this is first equation and this one is second. So from first, 3x is equals to minus 2 plus 8y. So x is equals to minus 2 plus 8y upon 3. Now putting the value of x in equation number 2, putting x is equals to minus 2 plus 8y upon 3 in equation 2. So what we'll get? 9 into x is minus 2 plus 8y upon 3 plus 4y equals 8. 3 ones are 3 threes are 3 into minus 2 minus 6, 3 8s are 24 plus 4y equal 8. This is 24y. 6 will shift to that side. 28y is equals to 8 plus 6. 28y equals 14. So y is equals to 14 by 28, that is 1 by 2. Similarly, putting y is equals to 1 by 2 in this value. So x is equals to minus 2 plus 8 by 2. 8 by 2 will be what? 4 upon 3, that is 2 by 3. So this is how we have calculated values of x and y. So now the question is, find matrix M such that matrix M multiplied by this matrix 3, 6, minus 2, minus 8 equals minus 2 and 16. Now see, let's suppose order of this matrix is what? A into B, because we don't know na. And here order is what? 2 into 2. इस एलिमेंट का इस मैट्रिक्स का ऑर्डर क्या है? 1 into 2. नाउ इधर हमको ऑर्डर किसका मिलता है? ये रो है, मतलब दीज आर द रोज ऑफ फर्स्ट एलिमेंट. दैट मीन्स आई कैन राइट A is equals to 1. A is what? 1, because we know row into column is row into column of this matrix. Now when number of columns in the first matrix is equal to the number of rows in the second matrix, then only multiplication possible है. तो कॉलम ऑब्वियसली यहाँ पर रोज कितने हैं? सेकेंड एलिमेंट में 2, तो इधर कॉलम कितने होने चाहिए? 2. दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट विच आई हैव टोल्ड. हाउ वी हैव कैलकुलेटेड ऑर्डर ऑफ दिस मैट्रिक्स. इसके रोज कितने हैं? 1. तो हमने A1 किया, रोज इज 1. नाउ इसके कॉलम कितने होंगे? द कॉलम ऑफ दिस मैट्रिक्स इज इक्वल्स टू रोज ऑफ सेकेंड मैट्रिक्स. बिकॉज अगर इसके कॉलम एंड इसके रोज इक्वल हैं, then only multiplication is possible, otherwise multiplication is not possible. Now we have come to know order is 1 into 2. That means we can write this matrix as row is 1 but column is 2. So x and y we can write, and we have to multiply this matrix by the given matrix, my 3 minus 6 minus 2 minus 8, and this is equals to minus 2, 16. matrix and the product is this. So first row is multiplied by first column, then first row by second column. Now see, x into 3, 3x minus 2y, and then again 6x minus 8y. So what we'll get over here? Minus 2, 16. So 3x minus 2y is equals to minus 2 and 6x minus 8y equals 16. So from this equation we'll find the value of x. 3x is equals to minus 2 plus 2y. X will be minus 2 plus 2y upon 3. ये x की value will substitute in here. 6 into minus 2 plus 2y upon 3. 3 ones are 3 twos are. Sorry, this is minus 8y equals 16. So we'll get minus 4 plus 4y minus 8y equals 16. And this 4 will be shifted to that side. It will come minus 4y equal 20. Thus y will be what? Minus 5. Putting y is equals to minus 5 over here. So x will be what? Minus 2 minus 10 by 3. That is minus 12 by 3. So that will be what? Minus 4. So the matrix M is what? We have considered x, y. X is minus 4. Y is minus 5. Question is, A matrix is given to us 2 minus 1 minus 1 3. We have to find A square minus 3A plus 2I. I is what? This is identity matrix, where I is unit matrix, or we can say identity matrix of order 2. Of order 2 का मतलब होता है कि it is 2 into 2. Rows and columns are same. So this identity matrix will be what? 1 0 0 1. We have seen in types of matrix that what is identity matrix. So what we have to calculate first? A square. A square will be what? A multiply A. So this is equals to 2 minus 1 minus 1 3 and 2 minus 1 minus 1 3. See, for multiplication there is one condition which is very important. Column of first matrix should be equal to row of second matrix. If they are equal, then only multiplication is possible. So 2 into 2 is 4 minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. 2 into minus 2 minus 2 minus 1 into 3 minus 3. Minus 1 into 2 minus 2, 3 into minus 1 minus 3. Minus 1 minus 1 1, 3 into 3 9. So answer will be 5 minus 5 minus 5 and 10. Now what we have to calculate? A square minus 3a plus 2i. So a square we have calculated 5 minus 5 minus 5 10. Minus 3 times of a. So 3 into A matrix is 2 minus 1 minus 1 3 plus 2 times of identity matrix 1 0 0 1. So 5 minus 5 minus 5 10 and then इसको स्केलर नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 3 into 2 6 minus 3 minus 3 and 9 plus 2 0 0 2. नाउ डायरेक्टली हम कर सकते हैं, जैसे 5 माइनस 6 प्लस 2, 5 माइनस 6 प्लस 2, देन ये माइनस 5 माइनस माइनस प्लस 3 प्लस 0, माइनस 5 माइनस माइनस प्लस 3 प्लस 0, 10 it is minus 9 and plus 2. So we'll solve it. 5 plus 2 7, 7 minus 6 1, 3 plus 0 3, 3 minus 5 minus 2, minus 5 plus 3 minus 2, 10 minus 9 1, 1 plus 2 3. So this is how we have completed with this chapter, that is matrices. in which we have solved each and every question of addition, subtraction, multiplication and so on. Hope you guys are finding videos helpful. So please do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.